So what a great day this has been out here at Trinity Wellsprings Church. We're right out here in Satellite Beach. We've had such a great time at the 15th annual. This is the 15th annual Higher Power Car Show. And these guys have always been such great hosts to us in Helping Seniors. As you know, we're beginning our 8th annual Helping Seniors Car Raffle. It's the major fundraiser for our charity, and this time we're calling it Choose Your Adventure. And we're only letting part of the cat out of the bag. There are 6 cars in this year's lineup, and we're going to get to them. We introduced 2 of them today. One of them is the Mitsubishi Outlander, which is right behind us here. This is the car that our winner last year, Diane Pilak, chose out of all the cars that she could pick from, the Mitsubishi Outlander. And so she is happily tooling around in her very own version of that. You could get a version of this on Sunday, October 27th at the American Muscle Car Museum. Now, not only that, we also brought around a Mazda 3, a beautiful, beautiful sedan that is one of the cars you can pick. And as we go through the next few weeks, you're going to be hearing more and more about the various cars. I wanted to introduce you a good friend of the Helping Seniors organization, Carlos Cuesta, who has been out here with us today. This has been a fun day, Carlos, just meeting people and getting them set up with their Helping Seniors car raffle tickets. Just a good day. Say a couple of things about all that.
Hey, Kerry, I want to thank you for inviting me. Today has been amazing. I've been here since 9 o'clock this morning, and it seems like that was only about an hour ago. So thank you for inviting me. The cars were terrific. Looking forward to events coming.
So, Carlos, you know, I want you also to mention about your business, Synergy Homecare, because you're one of the proud partners that really helps us keep everything going at Helping Seniors. And, you know, what I love about you is your spirit about really helping families and sitting down and getting the right solution at the right time and place.
Thank you, Kerry. Yes, I'm with Synergy Homecare. We serve Brevard, and we provide CNAs, home health aides, to people's families' homes to help if you need some meal prep, light housekeeping duties, transportation, helping get dressed, bathing. Those are sorts of things that we help with. And whether you need us 1 day a week, 7 days a week, live in 24/7, doesn't matter. I'm very flexible as the owner, and I really keep my my rates to meet your budget because I care about you, the family. So yes, again, I'm Carlos with Synergy Homecare. Thank you, Kerry.
Yep. Carlos Cuesta, a great friend of Helping Seniors. And so we're walking around the show, and who do we run into but our dear friend Bill Antonetz, the shows here in Brevard County. I mean, you know the car shows. He started the Friendly Show, the Dunkin' Donut Show, the Panera Bread Show, and we're really excited about something you're helping us do. But let me introduce Bill and Dawn and let you guys say a couple of words, and then we're going to come back and talk about a date you don't want to miss, which is February 24th, Saturday. We'll come back on that one.
Thank you very much, Kerry. I can't echo the words enough. It was an awesome show. There was a lot of unique cars, a nice blend. I always like to see a diverse group of cars, not just one particular model or one particular type. But I'm not here to talk about the car show. I'm here to talk about Helping Seniors. And I've been working with Helping Seniors for 7 years or so. I started back with Joe Steckler way back 7 years ago. I'm going to continue working with them. I firmly believe what they're doing. I appreciate what you're doing. I think you're doing an awesome job. And we're going to have these cars at all of my shows where you can purchase a ticket for them. And I'm not going to go into all those details. It's not my job to do that, but it is my job to appreciate what you did and have those cars available at my show. Okay, so I hope everybody comes out to the shows, and these cars will be very visible. They'll be right across from where you come in. This is my partner, Dawn, who will also be working with me. Do you want to just say hello? Just say hello.
Hello.
All right.
Okay, yay! She's obviously a little shy, but this is one of her first shows. But she will be there working with me. And I look forward to this show we're going to be doing on February 24th. It's going to be very awesome. And I'll let Kerry take it from here and explain whatever from this point. And thank you again. I look forward to seeing you all. Please come out to the shows. Please come out, enjoy the cars, and look at these cars that are going to be on display. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Bill. Yeah, so what we're planning for Saturday, we're talking about February the 24th. It's a Saturday morning. Last Saturday in February would be the right way to say it. We're going to be at our very own Helping Seniors, Joe's Senior Resource Center, Brevard. Where is that, you say? We're in that beautiful Omni professional health tower right there on the medical campus, downtown Melbourne. It's a 4-story building. They have been so kind. They donated space for us to establish Joe's Senior Resource Center there on the 2nd floor. So what's going to happen, just kind of like if you were around and you remember what we did leading up to the Helping Seniors car raffle, we had a great open house so people could come in and see all the resources, meet a lot of the people behind the Senior Resource Center. We had some great musical entertainment. I call him Uncle Nick. He was entertaining. He by himself is worth the price of admission, which is free, but it's a great time. We had snacks, we had donuts, we had food trucks on site, but the coolest part was going on downstairs, because not only did we have the cars, and we will have all 6 cars. I have to use 2 hands now, right? All 6 cars for the Helping Seniors car raffle will be on site, so you can see 5 and 1 make 6. That's how many cars you get to pick from. So you get to come and see those. But Bill, you always bring some friends that have some tremendous cars out there, and it was so much fun. We had such a great Saturday morning out there. I'm really looking forward to it again.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it as well. Dawn over here, she's going to be helping me. You'll see this pretty face there. Say hello again.
Hi.
Twice. Let's put 1 finger up each. But we're going to do everything we can to make this a great show. We're going to have a great amount of cars, and there's no charge to bring your car in. This is the nice thing. You know, you do a lot of shows and you have to pay an admission. I don't do shows that require trophies or that. We're not competing with each other. We're just having a bunch of fun. In this case, we're having fun and we're helping seniors. Who doesn't want to help seniors, right? We're all going to be one. Even me. I might be a senior someday. Even Dawn. Quite a bit, but anyway, seriously.
It'll be a great time. It'll be a great time.
It'll be a great time, and we look forward to it. And hopefully Uncle Nick will be there.
Yeah.
He's worth the trip alone.
By himself. He's
forget that.
tremendous.
He's tremendous.
It's going to be so much fun.
Okay, so I'm going to turn it back to you, Kerry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Kerry, what's the date on it? Because I want to put in my calendar.
Okay, thank you for asking that question, Carlos. It's Saturday, February the 24th, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. right there at Joe's Senior Resource Center, Brevard, which is located in that beautiful Omni Healthcare building, 1344 South Apollo Drive. 1344 South Apollo Drive, just a block or 2 from the hospital there on the medical campus there in Melbourne. It's going to be such a fun day. If you want more information, I'm going to give you a phone number and I'm going to give you a website. So the phone number, if you got a pencil, jot this number down. It's 321-473-7770. And you can also reach us at helpingseniors.brevard.org. Lots of good stuff ahead. So we hope we'll see you there at Helping Seniors and Joe's Senior Resource Center, Brevard on Saturday, February 24th. See you there.